Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can add a rectangle frame to your Canva design, and there will be 4 methods that I'm about to show you. So let's start with the first method. I'm going to add a rectangular frame to this picture or to this design in particular. So what you need to do is you have to visit elements and you want to search for shapes, click see all, and I'm going to insert a simple line. This is the line, and I'm going to change the color, let's say to orange, and click here to make the line thicker. You can adjust the line weight. Let's say it's going to be 40. You have the option to change the style from a solid line to dot or dashes if you want, and there is an option to enable round endpoints. I'm going to use a solid line with rounded endpoints, and after that, let's move it here to the top, and I'm going to make it wider. And after that, let's duplicate this line because we need that for the bottom section of the design. And I'm going to duplicate it again because we need to populate the left and the right side area. And I'm going to rotate it to 90 degrees. If this feels a bit difficult, you can click on position and you can rotate it manually. You can enter a number to 90 degrees, and that's going to give you an accurate orientation. Now let's duplicate this line again and put it on the right side. If you want to add a rectangular frame only to an image, for example, I'm going to add a rectangular frame on this image. You can click on the image and you can click border and increase the border weight, let's say 30, and you have the option to change the color. So it is orange again, and if you want to make the corner to be rounded, you can enable that by increasing this number maybe to 30. Yeah, I think this is pretty good. So that was the 2 methods you can try. The third method is basically we are going to be using an element from the graphics section in Canva. So let's go to elements and search for decorative frame. That's the keyword that I'm going to use, but feel free to use any keyword, but you have to add frame into your keyword. And go to graphics. You'll see there are plenty of different styles for the frame, and you can insert that into your design. Let's say I'm going to use maybe this frame, and I'm going to change the color to white, and I'm going to rotate it a bit. And of course, we have to make it a little bit bigger. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. So that was the third method. The fourth method is we are going to be using a third-party app that is available in Canva. So you can go to apps and you want to search for Can Border. Yeah, that's the name of the app, Can Border. Click on it, click open. And okay, so I guess I'm going to add another page, or I'm going to duplicate this page and I'm going to remove these 4 lines. So you'll see what it's going to look like. This is the preview. You have the option to either using solid or dash border if you want, and you can increase the margin, the thickness as well. Now, of course, the color. I'm going to use the default color, which is this purple. And when you're done, you can click add to design, and this is the result. So those are basically the 4 methods you can try to add a rectangle frame in your Canva design. I hope you found this video helpful, and if that was the case, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.